An early victim was Sharpville's black deputy mayor, branded by activists a stooge of the government. He was stoned and burnt to death. The court described the killing as gruesome, medieval and barbaric. The actual killers were never found, but the trial judge ruled that the Sharpville Six were, to varying degrees, associated with the crowd involved in the murder. The families and lawyers of the Six mounted a local and international campaign to seek support for the plea of clemency, which was sent to President Botha. Britain and other common market countries supported the families, who spoke to us at the time when the appeal failed.
He's innocent. Yes.
How do you know he's innocent?
It's because that day I was with him.
Tonight, the lawyers, having learned that the hangings are to go ahead on Friday, called on Western leaders to appeal to President Botha for an 11th hour stay of execution.
I do feel that the people that you mentioned, that's namely President Reagan, Margaret Thatcher and Chancellor Kohl, my clients definitely believe that if anybody were to persuade the state president to consider otherwise, it might be those three people.
There are legal circles here who believe that in this case, the interpretation of complicity has been extended to a degree never before seen in South African or British law. Nevertheless, the appeal for clemency has failed. A not surprising decision, perhaps, given the markedly rightward drift of the political climate here. This is Graham Leach for the 9 o'clock news in South Africa.
The Soviet leader Mikhail Gorbachev has admitted publicly for the first time that the